Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of our autofill and a flash fill series. In this video, we will see how does the autofill work on the date, right? Let me just move forward to the file which we have already created. This is the same file which we used last time. In our last, give you the context of this particular series. In the last video, we used autofill on the numbers with the month and on the weekdays, right? In this particular video, we will see how does the autofill works on the date. So before beginning this video, I just need to tell you that the autofill function, autofill works, basis on the pattern which you define. If you are not defining any pattern, Excel will automatically detect a pattern and create it and give you the result. Right? As we are working with the dates, we need to put any date. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put any date. So this is the date which we have put. With this, we have put the 1st of November. So because we have not defined any pattern here, we just put the single date, right? If you just drag this to the down, what you'll get the next date. Excel will increase this date by 1 day and give you the result. So if I just as I drag this to the down, what we are getting 2nd November, 3rd November, 4th November, and so on. So what Excel has done for us? So Excel has automatically detected a pattern. Basically, it has increased 1 day and give you the result, right? So suppose if you define any pattern, so suppose let me just put a pattern here. So what I'm doing, first of all, I just put the 1st of November, then I put the 3rd of November instead of 2nd of November. So what I have done, so we have created a pattern. So what is happening in this particular pattern? We are skipping a date, right, and getting the very next date uh, of the skip date, right? So we're skipping a date. So if I just now drag this to the down, see what happens. Excel will detect this pattern and give you the result based on the pattern, right? Which it has detected. 1st of November, 3rd of November, 5th of November. What does it mean? The one date is missing between these or between all these two dates, right? So it has skipped because we have defined that pattern that way, right? So now what is next? So suppose this is the one thing which you can do with the date by using the autofill. And there's a one more thing which you can do. Suppose I just put this date again, which is 1st of November, and I drag this to the down. When you drag this series to the down, what you'll get the autofill options. So it will give you some options which you can use and get your result. Suppose if I click on this, we get some options. No. So if I just click on this particular month, what we get? So let's click on this option, fill month. See what has just happened. Your days are same. Your date is same. Only month is getting changed. Month is increasing, but your date is same, right? Suppose again I put this date once again, and I drag this to the down and click on this autofill option and click on this fill year. See what happens. Your day is same. Your month is same. Only years are getting changed. This is another example of this date autofill function, autofill option, right? So let me just show you one more thing. Suppose we put again this date, right? And let me just change the format so that it becomes easier for you to understand this particular method. When you drag this to the down, so in this particular date, what we have got the weekday, which is Wednesday, your month, your date, and your year. If you drag this to the down, see what you got. You get Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and all, right? Suppose if I just put this date here and again this drag this to the down, what we get? And when we click on this fill option, autofill option, and when you click on this fill weekdays, what you'll get? See, you'll get Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday is not available in this particular series. Why? Because we have selected weekdays. What is the meaning of weekdays? In the weekdays, Excel will not include the Saturdays and Sundays, and it will give you the series of the weekdays only, right? So uh, this is the further uses of the autofill with the date which you can use and try, right? There are more things. There are still more things to cover. So we'll cover in the next video. So That's all from this video. See you in the next video, guys.